decision making, situations, psychometric test, and whatnot. We aren't mostly aware of these terminologies. But do you know organizations have already started taking questions on the basis of cases, on the basis of situation, and on the basis of decision making? It's a different kind of a test that not many are aware about. We at Campus Monk have decided to launch the course on the psychometric test as a part of the Campus Monk app just to enhance your skill and so that you don't miss out on any question that comes from a psychometric section. Decision making, how important it is. It's the most important and the vital part in any organization. What does a person checks in that? The person checks through giving you a situation whether you can outstand that particular situation or not. If not, then you are not the best fit for the organization. But if you are, then you are someone who cannot be replaced. Be that irreplaceable person, be that one who the organization needs right now. Have that extra edge, understand how the questions are framed, and get to know how to answer them and how to handle a particular situation. We at Campus Monk have brought forward this course of psychometric test as the part of the interview section. These questions can even be asked at an online test or at an interview. For sure, they have a chance of being asked because this world is evolving. People's perception are changing and so are the kind of questions being asked. So don't miss out on anything that comes your way. Go fetch yourself the opportunity to learn something different, something new. Because I'm sure at every organization, every alternate person faces a psychometric situation where they deal with a lot of pressure and they get rejected for not being able to answer it. Don't miss out on the chance that we are offering you. Please go enroll and check out the other courses that are available too. Thank you.